Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the error of the star uh, on app error. So let's get started. So here we can see it. So if the app is not working for you, you have to follow these easy steps. So first of all, you have to open it. Okay, and then here you have to, if it shows the error and if you are not able to open or log in it, then here you have to press and hold it here. Just look at I button. It will open the app info section of the app. Then here you have to go to the storage button, then click on clear data. Just clear the existing data. Then here you have to open the app again. If it's work for you, then fine. If it does not work for you, just check for an update and it will work. So if you have any question related to this, you can let me know in my comment section. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.